What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from Southwest Wheel. Today we're going to be looking at the BK545 ELE-DB kit. This is going to be our 10-inch electric brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle. This will be our Dexter version. This will be the box that you get in the mail. You can see it's got our logo on it, and then you can see in here that we have our two packages that stay pretty solid in there, keep it from getting damaged. These will be your two packages. Open them up here. See, we got our Dexter hook and drum with our 1/2-inch studs. The part number for this is going to be 8-247. You can see our races are already pressed in for both sides. And then we see that we have the Dexter logo stamped on there and made in America. We also have our Dexter brake here. This will be our right hand. We can see the Made in America sticker on it that'll tell us left hand, right hand. And this is as well as on the back with our 023-026 part. Has the magnet on it. We just got to bolt it up, ready to go. And on this side we got all of our small parts. We have our other Dexter hub and drum and our left hand brake. So this kit does come with two hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand brake. And then for our small parts we have 10 lug nuts, and we're going to have our inner and outer bearings here. These will be our inners, these will be our outers. The outer bearings are 66469 and the inners are 68149. Your outers will just go right here, and your inners will just go right there. Then we have our seals. So you get two seals, castle nut. This will be our castle nut and our cotter pin. Most kits don't give cotter pins. We like to make sure that we send it to you just so you have everything you need. So this castle nut will screw onto your spindle, and then the cotter pin will just go through and sit there like that. Then we have our oil caps. You'll actually get 4 oil caps with this kit. So you'll get a set of solid and a set with a hole in it. These are for the easy lube spindle, and these are for the just regular spindles. You'll also see with these you get the regular washers, and with these you'll get the rubber cap and the tang washer. And these, we send these and the regular ones to ensure that you have all the parts you need. Just makes it simple. Then we have the mounting hardware for the brake backs, just the nuts and the lug and the just goes on here. You just mount it up to the axle plate, stick your washer on there and stick your nut on, and it's that simple. You really just got to bolt them on. These are great, high quality, genuine Dexter parts made in the USA. That's it for the BK545 ELE-DB. Thanks for watching.